Chike, come back here. Chike, I am talking to you, Chike. You cannot be walking out on me when what? See, I am. Listen to me, Chike. I don't want to lose it. I don't want to lose it at all because you see this thing you call marriage. I am sick and I am tired of it. What is the meaning of all this? Don't even act so innocent. Listen, don't even make me explode. Because you are nothing but a narcissist. You manipulate me and make it look like I'm the one that has the problem.
Really?
Yes, that's what you keep doing all the time. But I am sick and I am tired of this nonsense you call marriage.
Okay, give me a reason why you're tired of this marriage. Because what is it I'm not doing right?
A lot of things. A whole lot of things you are doing there are not right. I am sick and tired of you always telling me, Jennifer, do this, Jennifer, do that, Jennifer, wash the place, Jennifer, cook this food for me, Jennifer, satisfy me on bed, Jennifer, feed the baby, Jennifer, feed the gate man, Jennifer, this, Jennifer, breathe in, Jennifer, breathe out, Jennifer, snooze, Jennifer, fly. I am tired.
What is wrong with you? I'm asking, what? Okay, tell me, what is it I'm not doing right? What is it I'm not doing like a father that I am? Am I not taking care of our daughter? And by the way, you said I asked you to cook. Cook! That you cook for me all the time. Now let me correct you. On the contrary, when you cook, you don't cook for only me, okay? When you cook for yourself. When you cook for our daughter. When you cook for the entire house, okay?
As a chef?
Of course!
No, chef.
I'm just saying you're a chef.
No, I'm a chef.
You're a married woman for crying out loud.
Okay, so because I'm a married woman, I should continue cooking my life out until I slow.
It is part of your duty.
I do not want such stupid tacky-wacky marriage anymore.
Mom,
I don't need it.
Mom, please stop. Dad, please.
Just go inside, okay? That will be right there with you. Alright? You see,
I guess you're happy now. Are you happy now?
Are you happy too?
Are you happy?
Look at what you've caused!
Keep showing her how
Screaming and shouting in front of your daughter!
You are a beast!
Jennifer, you!
Listen, if you continue like this, I am going to leave this house for you, and this tacky-wacky marriage you call, this hole that you call a marriage, I will leave it for you. You better fix yourself! Jennifer this, Jennifer that, Jennifer bullshit. Fucking a catalog. Wow. How are you even knocking? Eh? Why are you looking at me like that? So you're right, I came back from fog and you come and
take your hands off me.
I'm dead. Okay.
Jennifer, where are you coming from? So you are stinking of alcohol.
Hey. Daddy, you need to see. You drank. It was a drinking competition. I finished everything. Oh! Baby, I showed them. Finish everything. God.
Hey, don't drop. Don't drop my sitting room. Please.
It's coming, huh?
It's coming. What's coming? Come hold it.
Oh!
Hold it! Hold it!
Ah!
Oh, what's that? Oh, yeah, stand up, stand up. Let's go to the room. You are just a disgrace. I don't know what to do again.
Carry me romantically.
Hey.
How Gani is this one?
Romantically. You know what you're even doing. Let's go inside the room. If you want to throw up, go and throw up on the sink.
Seriously, I don't understand what you're saying. No, what are you trying to say, Chike?
What I'm trying to say is that you are a married woman, okay? A mother at that, okay? It is very shameful that you have refused to drop this ugly attitude of yours.
So what are you trying to say? So for the fact that I'm a married woman, or for the fact that I'm a mother, I should no longer live my life the way it suits me, right?
Not in this house.
Please, Chike!
Not in this
I am
house!
begging you, let me have peace of mind.
What peace of mind?
Let me be, please.
You have to stop clubbing, okay? Quit clubbing, and you have to detach yourself from those friends of yours that have bad characters.
Eh?
Yes.
Now I need to understand it. Is that the color of your teeth? Or you're just high?
Can you imagine the way you be talking to me? Your husband?
What stupid husband are you talking about? Eh?
All this started since you
now
started following those
listen to me,
friends.
Oga, listen to me. My friends and I, we are undetachable. Yes, we are birds of a feather. So instead of me to detach myself from them, I rather quit this nonsense you call marriage.
What did you just say?
I said I rather quit.
You prefer to quit your marriage than to leave your friends with bad character. Is that what you are saying? Eh? Not in this life. Jennifer, I'm telling you, not in this life.
Listen,
you will detach yourself from them.
Listen, it is very obvious to me that you do not want me to stay in this room with you. You see this atmosphere, it is no longer working with my skin and everything about me, please. I need peace. I need to go somewhere, receive some fresh air. Stop this nagging, you're not a woman.
Jennifer, don't open that door. Sit there.
For what?
We have to talk about this once and for all.
I refuse to sit down with a man who is as good as a jobless lunatic. I will not do that. I will not sit my tacky-wacky ass on this seat. I will not do that. I won't sit down.
Did you just say that to me?
I said I will not sit my tacky ass.
Did you just say that to me?
I will do that. We go.
Jennifer, come here. Jennifer, I'm calling you. Come here.
Bon appetit. Enjoy your meal.
Babe?
Yes. What is it?
I thought I asked you to make rice and stew for me. Why noodles? What is this?
I don't understand.
What don't you understand? I crave rice and stew. I asked you to prepare rice and stew for me for lunch, and you brought noodles. What's the meaning of this?
Chike, why are you like this? No, why are you like this? Why are you always like this? Eh? What is the difference now between those noodles and rice? What is the difference?
Mommy, I want rice and stew.
Oh, shit. The last time I checked, it was only your father that paid for my dowry before giving birth to you. You don't talk when I'm talking with your father. Now, table manners, eat your food. You see what you've caused now? You always like complaining about everything. Eventually, everything that I do in this house, you must complain about it.
Are you for real?
No, I'm for fake. I'm not for real, I'm for fake. Can't you see that I'm designing fake? Can't you see I'm wearing fake? Oh. I was the only one standing in that kitchen with my long ostrich legs. I cut carrots, I cut the green beans, I cut the onions. Other men will come into the kitchen and help their wives to cut something. But no! You sat your tacky-wacky ass here with your coconut head, expecting me to come and kill myself for you. Listen, if you don't want to eat this food, just couple it back. Let me take it back, sir. Couple it. What is all this? Come back. Name, go. You too, give me. Don't want to eat it. What is this? What a fucking ankara. And I saw man, you don't want to eat food. You leave it. Don't stress my life. What is this? Chike, come back here. Chike, I am talking to you, Chike. You cannot be walking out on me when what? See, I am. Listen to me, Chike. I don't want to lose it. I don't want to lose it at all because you see this thing you call marriage. I am sick and I am tired of it. What is the meaning of all this? Don't even act so innocent. Listen, don't even make me explode. Because you are nothing but a narcissist. You manipulate me and make it look like I'm the one that has the problem.
Really?
Yes, that's what you keep doing all the time. But I am sick And I am tired of this nonsense you call marriage.
Okay, give me a reason why you're tired of this marriage. Because what is it I'm not doing right?
A lot of things. A whole lot of things you are doing there are not right. I am sick and tired of you always telling me, Jennifer, do this, Jennifer, do that, Jennifer, wash the place, Jennifer, cook this food for me, Jennifer, satisfy me on bed, Jennifer, feed the baby, Jennifer, feed the gate man, Jennifer, this, Jennifer, breathe in, Jennifer, breathe out, Jennifer, snooze, Jennifer, fly. I am tired.
What is wrong with you? I'm asking, what? Okay, tell me, what is it I'm not doing right? What is it I'm not doing like a father that I am? Am I not taking care of our daughter? And by the way, you said I asked you to cook. Cook! That you cook for me all the time. Now let me correct you. On the contrary, when you cook, you don't cook for only me, okay? When you cook for yourself. When you cook for our daughter. When you cook for the entire house, okay?
As a chef?
Of course!
No, chef.
I'm just saying you're a chef.
No, I'm a chef.
You're a married woman for crying out loud.
Okay, so because I'm a married woman, I should continue cooking my life out until I slow.
It is part of your duty.
I do not want such stupid tacky-wacky marriage anymore.
Mom,
I don't need it.
Mom, please stop. Dad, please.
Just go inside, okay? That will be right there with you. Alright? You see,
I guess you're happy now. Are you happy now?
Are you happy too?
Are you happy?
Look at what you've caused!
Keep showing her how
Screaming and shouting in front of your daughter!
You are a beast!
Jennifer, you!
Listen, if you continue like this, I am going to leave this house for you, and this tacky-wacky marriage you call, this hole that you call a marriage, I will leave it for you. You better fix yourself! Jennifer this, Jennifer that, Jennifer bullshit. Fucking a catalog.
Okay, now 6 lines for daddy, 6 here, and 5 here there. Okay, just like this. Okay. What's the meaning of this?
What's the meaning of what? Are you blind?
I mean, what's the meaning of where are you going with the luggage?
As you can see, I am leaving this house. Leaving this thing you call marriage. I am leaving it. It's very simple.
Mom, please don't leave me. I love you. Thank God for you. Please, Mommy.
Baby girl, you love me, no doubt. As for this coconut head, this man standing right in front of me, I don't think so. And I promise you, baby, I will always come to see you. Okay? I promise you. I will always come and see you. Don't miss me too much. Okay? I just have to go. I'm sorry.
And you think that's going to work? Just... Can you even imagine the amount of psychological torture you're giving to this little girl?
Oh, please shut your trap and stop making it look like I'm the one at fault here.
Mom, please.
I'm sorry, baby. I have to go.
Mom, please.
Jennifer.
You go make madam leave Oga and pikin for this house like this. This woman safe. Look, I chop my bread and who be that? Madam, welcome.
Your voice.
Yes, madam.
It's okay.
Yes, it's inside. Madam, in the inside.
Take the bag inside. Make sure you don't tell him that I came back.
Yes, madam.
I'll be coming back soon.
Are you?
Something is really bothering me and that's why I'm here.
What is it?
Mama, it's about my husband. What happened? Mama, I want to kill him.
Huh? You mean you want your husband dead?
Mama, listen. This is a very serious matter.
Stop that. He's your husband.
Mama, he's not my husband. A man that treats me the way he does can never be my husband. Like I said, I hate him.
Hey. You mean you want to kill your husband?
Mama, he can't be my husband. Any man that treats me the way he does can never be my husband. Mama, you're the only one I can share my thoughts with, and that's why I'm here. I can't carry this out without your help. Please. Please, Mama.
Why should she have such thoughts in her mind? I know my daughter. Once she has told me about it, she will definitely go ahead and do it. Yes.
Mama, are you okay?
I heard you, my daughter.
I just told you something. You're not saying anything about it.
I heard you perfectly.
Say something now. Mama.
Don't worry, I will do it. Oh, I will do something about it. Just wait for me. Let me get something. Oh, wait for me. I'll be back.
Mama, please hurry up.
Ah.
I'm going out.
Wait. Just wait for me. I'm coming. Oh.
Mama, it took so much time.
I'm so sorry about that. Oh. Yeah, Papa. I told you to trust your mom. All your worries gone.
What is this?
You see this thing? It's called slow poison. Yes. Slow poison. Yes. Just listen very carefully. Whenever you want to serve your husband food, you apply it small. Oh yeah, sit down, Malan. One more thing. No, one more thing. I still want to tell you something so that you don't make any mistake.
Okay.
When you get him now, first of all, try and make peace with your husband. Reconcile with him. Listen to me. Do not look at me that way. Reconcile with him. Make sure you pamper him like a newborn baby. Serve him special food. Make love to him, that is, as you have never done before. With different styles. Turn it left, turn it right, from back, everywhere.
Because of the Magawa.
Then listen to me. Cook special food for him. Let him believe that true you've changed. Eh? Small. After you give me the result. Okay. You got that girl?
I get the point now. I get the point now. Okay, so that nobody will suspect anything.
Hey, piano. Now you come.
Oh, you're smart. Thank you so much, Mama. Mama, let me start going.
Oh, yeah.
Let me start going. It's alright.
Just calm down. Everything will be okay.
Thank you, Mama. Thank you.
Jenny, oh, yeah, now bye. Oh.
Daddy, I like Jerry.
No, I like Tom.
No, Daddy, I like Tom.
You can like Jerry and Tom at the same time.
You chose one, okay? They are the opposite. They are opposite of each other. So if you love Jerry, Daddy likes Tom. If you like Tom, Daddy likes Jerry. Okay? I'll get the door. Yes, who's there? Yeah, who's there? Who is there? Yeah, who's...
Hi, baby.
Mom, what do you want to?
I went to see Granny. And I also promised I was going to come back, right?
I'm happy I came back.
Yes, baby. Okay, so, why don't you just go inside and talk to your daddy?
Alright, Mom.
Okay. Baby, please. I'm very sorry. I promise you, baby, I will never disrespect you again. Seriously, baby, see, I can kneel down to let you know how sorry I am.
Stop it.
From the deepest part of my heart, I am sorry.
Jennifer, stop it. Stand up.
Just forgive me.
Yeah, just stand up first, please. Don't kneel for me. I'm not God. Okay?
My husband.
Stand up first. Please.
Are you forgiving me, please?
Yes. I forgive you, okay? There's something that bothers me. I've always wanted to let it out.
Really?
Yes.
What could that be?
Jennifer, I feel so incomplete without you. Please, I want you to be my wife. Will you marry me? Please?
That must be an expensive joke.
No, it's not.
Why are you talking about marriage now? We're still in school.
It doesn't matter. Listen, Jennifer, it doesn't matter, okay? You want me to wait till we finish school? So someone out there will come and ask for your hand in marriage? No. I won't take that risk, okay? I can't risk losing you. Jennifer, please. Please.
Hey, listen. I'm not comfortable with this, seriously. Let's at least get a good job. You know, finish our school, and then we can be able to talk about marriage.
I understand. I understand what you're trying to say, but
And
don't
I'm
worry.
right.
Of course you are, but everything will flow along. Yes, we can get married and be looking for the job. But after graduation, the future will be bright. Don't worry, okay? But please, please, please. My life is incomplete without you.
Okay, fine. I'm going to think about it.
No, it's not about thinking about it right now. I want you to say yes. Please. Please. Please.
Okay. Okay. I said yes. Fine.
Start a yes.
That's a yes.
Oh my goodness. Thank you. Come here. I forgive you.
I won't do it again. I'll never disrespect you again.
It's okay.
I'll adjust to everything. I'll be the best wife you've ever had.
Jennifer. All I ask of you is to be a good wife. A good woman, a good wife to me, and a good mother to Chisom, okay? I want you to have time for family. Is that too much to ask of?
Baby, it's not too much. It's not too much to ask for. You deserve even more than that. I'm sorry. Just give me an opportunity to make it up. That's all I'm asking for, please. I'm sorry.
It's okay. It's okay. I'm glad you're back. I love you.
I love you too.
It's okay.
Mommy, Daddy, can I watch my cartoon now?
Yes, you can.
Of course, okay? The remote is yours, alright? Just cartoon, okay? Come here.
Wakey, wakey. Hi, baby. Hi, babe. Breakfast is ready. What's the food? Come on.
Breakfast is ready?
Yes, babe. I made your favorite. You woke up late.
Oh, damn. Where's Chisom?
She's already gone to school.
For real?
Baby. She woke up late.
Oh, damn. It's okay. Thanks for the breakfast, okay?
You're welcome.
Permission to wash my mouth first.
Permission granted.
Babe.
Are you ready for work?
Oh yeah, I am ready for work.
What are you doing with all these clothes?
The dirty, I want to take them to the laundry.
You want to do what?
Take them to the laundry to be washed.
Baby, please. Just give them to me. I'll handle them.
For real?
Yes, babe.
Hey, come on, I don't want to stress you, okay?
Baby, that's not stress. It is my duty. Besides, I can wash them thoroughly, even more than the laundry guy. So I'll handle it. Anything for my husband.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. So, do you mind coming downstairs because you're really late for work?
Oh, sure. After you. After you, my baby. Yeah. My pretty wife.
Mommy, what was that?
Nothing. Nothing really.
I saw you hiding something.
Oh! Just maybe. It's actually nothing.
You sure?
Yes, I'm very sure.
Mommy, are you hiding something?
No, I'm not,
I
baby.
will go and tell that guy you're hiding something.
Oh, my baby. Come on. Mommy is not hiding anything. Listen, obviously. It's being used to spice up the juice to make it sweeter.
Mommy, I want to drink.
Yes, my baby. I'll make yours immediately after your dad's one. This is not for you. Don't drink it.
Okay.
I made a fresh juice.
Really?
Yes, babe.
Oh.
I like it.
Thank you. I knew you were making it though.
That's not possible. I mean, there was no way you could have known.
I saw you.
No, you did not. I'm sure it was Chisom that told you that gossip.
No, not at all. I saw you making it. I was anticipating it. I was expecting you to serve me this. Thank you.
You saw me?
Mm-hmm. Babe?
Hmm?
You look worried. Are you okay?
Why should I? I'm fine.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm fine.
So why don't you smile for me? That's my baby. Tastes nice.
I told you.
I like it.
So should I get you more? Because I have lots of it.
Of course, please do.
Okay. I'm coming.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, Mom. Yes, Mom, everything is fine. Yes, just the way you instructed. Okay, Mom. Okay. No problem, Mom. Thank you. Okay. Bye. What update are you talking about? Of course he's still alive. I have been doing everything just the way you instructed. I just don't know why he doesn't want to die. Listen, I think the best thing is just for us to end it all. Let us end it once. Hi, baby. My honey bunny just came in. Yes, let me talk to my husband.
And
Hi, baby.
what are you doing?
No, I mean, it's Maureen was supposed to, sort this girl's issue, actually. In our platform, a group, we created a group.
Oh, really?
Oh my God, the juice. My bad.
Of course, the juice. I was waiting endlessly over there. So I decided to come to see what's keeping the juice.
So sorry. I'll get you another one in a jiffy, okay?
It's okay. I'll be in the living room.
Okay, baby.
Bye.
God, just shock them again. Shock them again, God.
That's a 6-4.
That's not true.
I thought you said you were going to have.
But I think it's a 6.
Okay, that's it.
Oh, baby, yours. I think it's a 6. 6.
That was a mistake. My hand was not punching. Yeah, it is. Okay, well done. Okay.
I'm the boss.
Okay.
Okay. I just needed one of the angels to just speak to you.
Okay, no problem.
Because you're my husband.
Angels will
Ha!
You know what? No matter how you manipulate this game, I'm still going to win.
Babe, start removing my stuff.
Where are you taking that thing to? My friend, will you take that thing back to this place?
Why? Baby, that's no way it is.
How is that even your house? By the way, you see, you are cheating. It's easy to know. Okay, that's exactly what I needed to win. 5-4, I've won.
Which 5? Hi, God. See?
What?
6-2.
Okay, count your 6 to let me see. You know what? If they leave you, you will tell people that you got 7 on the dice. 7. And I don't know if the manufacturers of this game actually put 7 on the dice. Will you take that thing back quickly? That is it. So, game what? Game over.
Okay. You win. No problem. I'm not arguing with you. What is it?
I'm just so happy and fulfilled having the most beautiful woman in the world on earth for a wife. I love you.
I love you too, baby.
Okay. Game over. You sure? Okay. Time to pick Chisholm up from school.
Oh.
Yeah. Let me rush it. I'll be back soon, okay?
You'll be back from where? You're definitely not going without me. I ain't giving any bitch out the opportunity to look at my house.
Oh, come on, baby. It's all good. So let's go together.
Okay.
Okay? Come on.
Baby, you can't follow me to your just put that in the window. Okay? To make sure you do that.
Okay. Good morning.
morning. Very pleasant surprise.
Yes.
Hey, husband and wife.
Good to see you too, Maureen and
Amanda.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much.
Okay, baby, you guys are already running late.
Yes, we
So,
got to go.
see ya.
Okay, babe.
Mwah. Love you.
I love you too, baby.
Bye, baby. I love you.
Take care of your guests.
Okay, baby. I'll miss you so much, so much.
Should I say I'm jealous?
So, Jennifer, hold on. You've actually been lying all along. Because I don't understand what I saw out there. What do you mean what I'm talking about?
Wait, was it because of what you saw out there? Oh, come off it. Come off it now. What are you saying, Molly? That was just a mere act. I was just faking it.
Wait. Have you guys forgotten I'm here? What's happening? Wait, what does she mean by you kissed your husband? Are you not supposed to kiss your husband? And you, Jennifer, what do you mean by Judas kiss? Explain it to me. How?
Amanda, please stay out of this. No. You should just stay out of this.
Why?
Because I didn't involve you in this.
Hey.
I didn't call your name in this. Jennifer.
I just had to act. I was just acting. It was so...
Because you're clearly in love with him. You told me. See, I'm beginning to have trust issues where you are. Honestly. Because you clearly told me that you are no longer in love with this man. And then all of a sudden I saw you kissing and hugging and caressing him.
He
Why?
was acting. It's called acting.
You made it seem real. It's so real.
Well, it has to be real. That's the only way. I mean, an actress can be an actress, right? I was just acting. Just like a director calling a shot and I just didn't do it. That's it. Like because I never collect certificate for AGN, I was just acting. I had to make it look real. Do you want him to start suspecting anything?
Are you insane?
You are insane. What is it?
What's your problem?
What's your problem?
Have you forgotten Jennifer is a married woman?
Uh-huh.
Why are you telling her Alhaji is in town?
Is Alhaji not in town?
I don't understand. If Alhaji is in town, are you advising a married woman to go and share her body with Alhaji?
Amanda, Biko, please!
I will not allow you to deceive our friend. What's your problem? Why will you tell her to go and sleep with Alhaji? That's uncalled for.
I don't understand. What do you mean by deceive? Is she a baby?
Jennifer, please. I am begging you. Don't listen to Maureen. She's only trying to deceive you. Can't you see it?
Jennifer. So, like I said, my darling.
Oh my goodness. Jennifer, if you know what is good for you, stop listening to Maureen.
I want to go Oh, my friend. I really have to go now.
Thank you so much for passing by, for coming to my
Anything for you.
Meanwhile, don't forget what I told you. Because I gave Alhaji my word. I told him that you will come. And you have to make yourself available.
Maureen, the truth of the matter is that I won't be able to make it. Seriously, because I promised my husband and I don't know how I'm going to be able to. What am I going to tell him? What will I tell him that will make him to leave me to go out by
It's
this time?
okay. Forget about your husband. Forget about that stupid husband of yours. And what stupid promise did you even make to him? I don't understand. I am telling you that Alhaji came back with a lot of goodies. You know Alhaji now. No how we be say you go see and we better million no go fall out. Yes now. There's plenty goodies, you know. Some designers. You know how see they be now, babes. You have to go. Sincerely, I told him that you would come. So please, 11 p.m. Tonight.
For complete and make am 12 midnight.
Come on.
Oh my God. My baby. How are you, my princess? Good afternoon, baby. Did you miss me? I missed you too. Mwah.
Someone is here standing, okay?
Ah, so sorry.
How's my angel doing? Come here.
Mwah.
How are you?
I'm fine, baby. So how was your day?
Oh, good. You're all dressed. Are you going out?
Somebody's already jealous. Well, I was actually trying to go to the supermarket so I can be able to stock up the store.
Okay.
Yes, but since you guys are back, I guess I have a whole lot to do.
Well thought.
So how was school today? Okay. So why don't I take you to your room so you shower and then I'll give you your delicious lunch. I made your favorite. So.
Not so fast. I got something. Check it out.
For me?
Go ahead, check it out. Like it?
Yeah, wear this. What? Thank you so much.
I love you, baby.
Thank you. Mwah. Thank you. I love it. I love him so much. Yeah, okay.
Oh, thank you.
Baby.
You're such a beautiful angel of mine.
Thank you, baby.
Okay.
So, princess, shall we? You need to freshen up.
All right.
So, I'll come back to this.
No problem. Okay. Let me take off my suit.
Hello, babe. What's up? I'm dressed already. I hope you're getting ready.
John is where I am. I'm at home now. Coming at how? But I told you I can't come out. I can't break the promise. I promised my husband that I'm going to be a changed person. I can't.
Jennifer, please don't even start with this your stupid excuses. What is it again now? What kind of excuse is this? No, please. I'm coming to your gate right now. Dress up and come out. I'm coming to pick you up.
Hello, Maureen. Hello?
Please, you better get ready. I won't miss this club. Better get ready. Stop being reluctant. I don't understand.
Jennifer, I know whatever I'm going to say to you now will make no sense to you. But please, I am begging you to listen to me. Jennifer, if you keep on listening to Maureen, or whatever she's telling you to do to your husband, I promise you, you will endanger your family. I hope you know that.
What are you talking about? Seriously, what are you saying?
What I'm trying to say is, your husband is a good man. Chike is a wonderful man. I want you to love him, cherish him, appreciate him, and don't break your home. Maureen is only trying to put asunder in your marriage. Can't you see it? Don't you have eyes?
The problem I have with all of you is that You guys are being covered up with this, chicken that. You don't want to see, you don't want to feel my pain, you don't see the plight. Are you not seeing that I'm suffering and smiling? Is that what you want for me? I can't continue like this, for goodness sake. I want to be free. Just the way you guys are free. You can do whatever you want to do for yourselves, right? That is what I want for myself. I want to leave this bondage.
You call this management? Suffering and smiling? Is that what you call this? No. Thank God your husband is not broke. He's not a poor man. He's an average man that is doing well and still pushing to do better for himself. Jennifer, Onodugo Adiribwema, you have to listen to me. Do you know how many people? How many ladies who go about fasting and praying for a man like Chike? If I have a man like your husband, Chike, I will gladly marry him. The same thing goes to Maureen. She hasn't seen anyone. That is why she's not married. This life we're living, we don't love it. It's just circumstances. It's something we can handle. Please, cherish your man. You wouldn't want your daughter to suffer, would you?
So tell me, did Chike put you up to this? No, obviously. Because make it make sense. Did you by any chance leave everything you're supposed to be doing? Came all the way to my husband's house to come and to tell me on how to appreciate my man. No, make it make sense, because right now I don't understand it. I don't.
Jennifer, I have never had a talk with Chike on this. I only came to you to speak to you heart to heart as a sister. Look, have you forgotten? Jennifer, the same Maureen who advised you to throw away your daughter some time ago is the same Maureen that is advising you to kill your husband and wreck your home.
How did you get to know this? You mean you knew this all this while and you kept it to yourself? Did you tell anyone?
I did not tell anyone. I never wanted to tell you about it because to me it doesn't matter. I need to protect your interests.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Seriously, I didn't really realize what I was doing. It's just dawned on me that my daughter coming back to me. Thank you for everything. You know, it was you that brought back my daughter the day I came back from work.
How do you mean?
Oh, come on, Fletch. I'm sure it was you. I mean, there wouldn't have been any other person. The day I came back from work, I saw my daughter right in front of my door. You were the one that brought her back, right? You were the one, right? Oh, baby is crying.
Is that not your baby? How did this happen?
But I told you. I told you somebody was following us that day. I told you. But you will not listen to me.
This child is up to no good. We have to throw this baby away.
You have to do what?
No, because I don't get it.
come back?
I came back a few days ago. I was quite busy, but today I took time out to give you a surprise. Whose baby is that?
Amanda, don't tell me you've been the one behind all this. Listen, there is something you're hiding from me. Tell me the truth. What is going on? What are you hiding?
Jennifer, the only truth I will tell you today is to focus on your marriage. Make your marriage work. Every other thing shouldn't bother you. Listen, Maureen is only jealous of you. That is why she's giving you such an advice.
Listen, if we should be talking about someone who is jealous of me, from what you just noted, from all the things you stated here, you are the one. Maureen is just after my happiness. She is not jealous of me. She has everything she wants all to herself. Why should she be jealous of me?
Oh, I see.
She's the only one understanding that this shoe hurts, that I need to leave the space. You're not even seeing my plight. You're not even understanding how I'm feeling.
It's alright. I am the one who doesn't want your happiness, right?
That's not what I'm saying.
It's okay, Jennifer. I can read the handwriting on the wall. You don't have to ask me to leave before I leave.
I'll take my leave. That's not what I'm saying, Amanda. Please let us listen. I was just trying to make you... Amanda! Now?
Babe, what is it?
I don't know, she's just started crying.
Why?
What happened?
Baby, what is it?
He killed Daddy.
Who killed Daddy? Nobody's going to kill your daddy.
I'm sure she had a drink.
That must be a very bad one.
Yes. Come on, pretty angel. Listen to me. No one killed Daddy, okay? Daddy's sitting right beside you. So is Mommy, which means you're safe, okay? Hmm? Smart.
It's okay. It's okay. I'm here.
She had a drink.
And then, you are developing hot pants for the same man. You're nothing but a devil. You are a devil. That is what you are.
Okay. Get out. Get out. Get out of my house.
I will leave your house, but you will not stop me from saying the truth. I know exactly what you're trying to do. But let me remind you, I, Amanda, I will not be alive and watch you ruin our friend's marriage and life.
Get the hell out of my house now.
Look at you. You better repent.